Okay. Welcome, guys. Welcome. So this is Black Ops 6, and I'm going to play the zombies. Okay, we are going to hold on a sec here. There you go. So what is this? Okay. All right. So what I want to do is again show you guys. Let's see. They may not target me in this game because I am doing a recording and I've been trying to fix the mic for about a good half an hour now, right? Because the mic was sounding so low and muffled. It's funny because in my recording of videos, it sounds fine, but I guess since I'm recording the what is this Activision Battle.net app, right? The game app for COD 6. I'm going to do zombies. And let's see. Let's see. And I'm going to talk about this because, again, when I'm playing this game, they target me, right? So, again, using online players to engage in targeting whenever you play an online game. I think I did a video on this, and part of the video actually talks about cognitive warfare through online gaming or video games. Okay. So, I am just going to show you guys, if I can, how they engage in targeting. All right. So let's see. Just looking at my settings here, make sure everything is okay. And let's go. All right, just have to mute myself. In-game mute. Just because I don't want to hear anybody hear me talking, so I am going to just do this here. All right, bear with me. Like I said, I'm streaming. Okay, I'm getting about 141 FPS. Again, using the colors of the waypoint marker to, they do stuff like this, right? So I just do it back to, again. And I talk about color, right? Color psychology, a psychological warfare using color theory, right? On the emotional, right? So colors affect your emotions, and they know how to manipulate those who study these things, particularly within the government, the CIA, the FBI, law enforcement, stuff like that. They understand these things because they have weaponized these things, right? Remember, mind control, the CIA mind control program. All right, there's a lot of things that they were doing. The weaponization of color. You understand that color affects our mood, sometimes very subtly and sometimes very extremely. Now, see what just happened there? Just no zombies, but he's shooting in my direction. This is what they'll do. Let me return the favor. Okay, right. So that's what I would do. All right, whenever they start doing stuff like that. So yeah. Ooh. Okay. Let's see how much ammo I have. All right, and they do things like that. They'll run in front of me and just start jumping. And it's again, it's very orchestrated, like. All right, I have my noise suppression on low, so you guys may not hear all of the noise in the background by the New York Predator Department as I expose what it is that they are doing. Okay. And so here we go. But yeah. Now again, a lot of things will look naturally, right? But because I know exactly how they target me, you know, I'm going to try and explain. Ooh, one was dying here. Shit. Oh, when there. What the heck? You know, I've never been on this early. I guess it's a little distracted to me because I'm doing this recording on the mic. But because this game, you really need to pay good attention because again, these zombies moves really, really fast. You see what he did there? Okay, he left the marker. So I'm going to leave one right there also. Okay. And yeah, that's what I do. And then they run behind you like how they just did. Particularly, like I said, using the color green, you'll see. I'll show you guys. So when they run behind me, depending on what kind of weapon they hold in their hands, they will run. And as soon as I turn around, they will reload their weapon like that, right? And again, it's not natural to me because I understand how I'm being targeted, and it's not by everyone, right? So there are certain individuals who just know exactly how I'm being targeted, and they target me in a very particular manner, again, which I am going to show you guys. All right. And if you're a TI, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You guys can probably spot these things out because, you know, we are conditioned a certain way. All right, let's see. Do I need ammo? Yes, I do. And you'll see me doing things like slide in and stuff like that because that's part of the things that they'll do. Remember, certain actions, meaning in terms of the spelling of certain words or certain actions, running, you know, starts with the letter R, slide and start with the letter S. Like I said, they know what they put into your subconscious mind. And you just got to identify it and identify your triggers and anchors in order for you to combat this thing, because this is important. All right, it's important that you people say, or you ignore. You can't ignore this stuff, right? This stuff is, you know, conditioned into your subconscious mind. So there's no way you can ignore these things, right? The thing is that if you're unaware, I guess you can say you're ignoring it, but it's not really ignoring it. You're just unaware. The programming is taking place. You just can't see it. Now, if you like me now, and you can identify the programming, you can identify the psychological manipulation, then there's no way you can ignore it. You know, what you have to do is, like I said, develop the defense mechanism. All right. You see, I just turn the characters pointing a gun at me like that, like if they're shooting, right? So I remember I just do the same thing too. All right. So again, when they do these sorts of psychological threats, you do the same thing back. Okay, remember, this is in the psychological realm, so they believe that they can get away with it, not even think. And that's because no one has really, I shouldn't say no one has really begun to start to study this stuff, but I think a lot of the stuff is ignored for the most part, because a lot of TIs are afraid, all right? Because fear, remember, this is a fear-based trauma programming, right? Let me get that C4. Yeah, I'm gonna try to run up on me like that. Like I said, something might get very aggressive when they start talking to me. When I notice as I said, something might get very aggressive here in the New York Predator Department in the background. When I say very aggressive, meaning psychologically, when they target me within the game, I target them back psychologically. So when, for example, if there's no zombies around, they'll be shooting at me, throwing grenades at me, doing a whole host of things, right? And again, when you begin to realize what it is that they are doing, you stand a better chance of defending yourself against it, as opposed to not knowing, right? And as they continue to condition your mind subconsciously, of course. And I like playing with this guy because some of the things that he says, it's interesting how, because they will use their sirens, right? In your Predator Department will use their sirens. Like when he says, fuck y'all, you're not taking me down. They hate that shit, let me tell you. Because I'm playing as that character who is saying those things. So, like I always say, yeah, I'll take them down. They'll be using the sirens. Yeah, and I will take them down. All right, their criminality knows no bounds. I posted a couple videos of how the federal government, the FBI, literally, and local, state, and police department using asset forfeiture, right? Theft, using their positions to steal, right? So committing crimes under the color of law, taking money from innocent people, right? And let's say even if they were not innocent, right? Everyone has a right to carry with them any amount of cash in the U.S., right? When you're traveling, you are allowed to travel with any amount of cash within the U.S. All right? And so the fact that if you have $5,000, $10,000 on you and you're traveling, these crooked ass cops will take your money, and then you have to fight to get it back, right? And because they use intimidation tactics, you should go look at the video. Asset forfeiture, right? Go look at the video. How they stop 87% of men, black men, I should say. Okay, so that's the majority of people who they stopping, right? And it just so happened they stopped a black actor and a black doctor, and because they have the money and the financial resources to fight this thing, brought it to, and also a couple of white people, right? So when a couple of white people got they got illegally searched, again, no money was taken from them though, right? It got the media attention, right? So you have to be a famous actor, a black doctor, or just a regular white person, who got stopped just as they was about to board a flight and literally had their rights violated. And you have these officers who know that this is illegal, saying that this is legal, and they know this is not legal. So again, criminal activities in their position as within the duty of police officers, within their it's crimes they committed under the color of law, and because they are law enforcement officers, right, or Predator Department officers, they get to circumvent the law, the Constitution. They get to create whatever policy, whatever make up law, and strictly lying to you about it, even when you prove to them that what they're doing is unconstitutional, is against the law, right? So, because they realize that they, again, using psychology, they know people want to catch their flight, and so they do it when, again, you're getting on the plane, your flight is about to leave, all of a sudden they pick you out, approach you, want to search your bag, and most people will let them because they're trying to catch their flight, right? But very few people will confront them on it, right? So let's say they stop 100 people, and maybe 10 people will say, hey, you're violating my rights. And then when you assert your rights and tell them that they're violating your rights, then they put it on you. They try to blame you. Okay, why are you why are you being so difficult? I'm not being difficult. You violated my rights, and you know it, and I know it, right? So calling them out on that, they don't like, right? And again, I talk about the personalities of those in law enforcement. The vast majority of them are criminal in nature. They have a sociopathic, narcissistic, psychopathic mindset. And I understand, for the most part, some of them are conditioned through, the police academy, right? But still, they're conditioned on the job with officers who's been on the force for a long time, who used to violating people's rights, who used to committing crimes, stealing from people, right? And this is what they do. And even the FBI get into some of the action, because you had a facility. Yeah, I say FBI, I hear the sirens. Yes, I am allowed to speak. Okay, it is my right, right? There is freedom of speech to criticize, to speak your piece, as long as you are not saying things in certain scenarios, like in a movie theater, you can't be yelling fire when there's no fire, because you'll cause a panic and people will get hurt. Okay, but I am allowed to speak, and I will speak. And so this is some of the things that they don't want you and I to know. They don't want us exercising our rights. Now, why they left that there? Okay, now you see how they left that there, and I went to get it and start firing at me. It ain't because of the zombies. Okay, that's for sure. Oh shit, I'm about to die. Anyway, again, talking and doing this is very difficult for me. I'm trying to concentrate and speak at the same time, but yeah, and then try to explain to you guys what it is that they're doing, right? And as I said, explain to you guys what it is that they're doing. They start hearing the sirens. Yes. So again, the threat, right, of arrests for exposing what it is that they're doing, because it's criminal, right? And because again, if it wasn't criminal and wasn't highly illegal, they wouldn't keep it a secret. They wouldn't engage in this in the psychological realm, right? If they knew what they were doing, they had a right to do it, and it's not a violation of my rights. You know what I'm saying? They wouldn't attempt to silence me. But this is how criminal works. And when you remember, governments are inherently, insta kill. I needed that. Right? Because the government, those working within the government are inherently corrupt, right? Governments are inherently evil. Okay, I'm not the one that said that. All right, but that is the truth. Government are inherently evil. All right. Oof. All right. I need armor. All right. What is that? Let me get that key. No. I guess I can use this. Yep. Now I have my noise compression on low because I don't want the mic to be muffled too much. Okay, I need to upgrade my power level. What's that, C4? Good. All right, let me get that. Oof. Shit. Okay, I need armor. I can't get to him in time. I cannot get to him in time. Oh, I did. Okay, see, they left. They realized I was recording. Must have gotten to them, huh? Oh shit! I need ammo. Yeah, I ain't even looking at this stuff. Oh, another mangler. Okay, well there you go. They all left. So you see, this is the first time this has happened to where they all left. Come on now, come on. There you go. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys again how it is that they target me when playing these games, what it is that they do, right? And this was a good example. This is a very good example. Like I said, I'm very like I told them, I'm going to expose them. I'm going to bring them down, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. To corrupt those who are in law enforcement. And why can't okay, I can't get this stuff. Why can't I get it? I should be able to. Okay, so I should be able to pick this stuff up. Okay, there you go. Let me just finish out this round here, and then I am going to exit, because I think this video was pretty good in terms of showing you guys how they engage in this sort of targeting. Okay, all right, round 19. If I exit out the game, I'm going to not get the rewards. So like at the end of the game, you know, when you die, you get rewards. Let me okay. Oh shoot. Okay, I need to go and get that okay, what do I need? Okay, let me get that. I can get that for now. I can always come back and get the other thing. Shoot. Okay. Now I can go get this slim shot. All right. Yeah, no. There's a lot of running around in this game. Uh-oh. Let's see. I think I gotta go upgrade my weapon. Okay, let's do this real quick. Hopefully I don't get trapped in here. Oof. I don't know. I think I saw an is that an insta kill? A kaboom. Okay, nice. Shit. All right, I need a power upgrade. Yeah, when it comes to taking down some of these big creatures, you got to get a power upgrade. Okay, I don't have enough. Let's see how long I survive. As you said, Semtex out. Oh, yes, the word out, meaning that if I'm out of this program, I'll be assassinated, arrested, that sort of thing. You know, again, they have to keep tabs on me, right? Why? Because, you know, I know what it is that they've done, okay? And I refuse to remain silent, right? Not also that, but, you know, because I've been targeted so much and because, again, I'm microchipped, you know, any thought of leaving this country, you know, going to an adversary, you know, to seek revenge or to expose what's doing this, why they're doing this, you know, to expose, you know, what they've done to me, you know, they got to keep tabs on me, right? Because, again, I'm not that forgiving Negro that they want us to be, right? So most black people, again, they want us to practice nonviolence while they commit violence against us. Okay, I think I'm going to die here. Yes. Hold on a sec here. Yes, let me let them. Okay, there you go. Shit. Okay, let's do that. And here we go. Yep. So that's what they do. As I begin to shoot in your Predator department, using their sirens. I forgot I had my slim shot, but that wouldn't have helped me. Oh shoot! I guess I'm. Ooh. Oh shit! Am I dead? Am I dead? No. Okay, I'm gonna have to use this. Okay. That's my alarm. All right. So I just wanted to give you guys, show you guys an example of how they target me in this whenever I'm online playing this game. So when I talk about cognitive warfare through video games, which you guys understand and know the many ways in which they facilitate targeting me, in which they engage in targeting, right? Shoot. Okay. I'm not gonna get that. All right, took down the mangler. Let's see. How much ammo do I have? Uh-oh. What is this? Ooh. Uh-oh, I am being a little bit heroic here. Oh, I need armor. I need armor. Shoot. Oh, sorry about that. My legs are getting numb. And this happens, and so most of the time I'm laying down. So the simple fact is that, like I said, what the heck? Oh, that's the mangler there. Oh shit. Okay, I got one armor plate. Okay. Shit. Ooh. Oh shit, I forgot I had that. All right, yeah. So another thing too is that you get these power-ups, right? They're only temporary. And a lot of times I forget that I have them. Uh-oh. Shoot. You know what? I think all right. Where am I here? Let's go right here. Try to get them to follow me. There you go. Shoot. All right. And I remember many years ago, my eldest son Bryce, he loved Call of Duty games. I mean, he was a pro. He was a natural at this game, playing zombies. But my nephew, and I'm like, what the heck y'all playing? It took me literally a decade to be able to play this game at this level that you see I'm playing now, okay? Which is a shame. Okay. But I got COD World War a few years ago. I think I bought it for like $20. And I was playing it. And of course I was getting destroyed. Right? Oh shoot. There you go. All right, got stuck there. Anyhow. So yeah, as I was saying, yeah, and I started playing it, and liked it, and of course I was being targeted too. So what helped me is that I used to play just to see what it is that they were going to do, how they were doing it, what they were doing, and start learning and doing the same thing back also to them. And that's what I've been doing. All right. So you guys get to see me play, get to hear me explain how I'm being targeted online, cognitive warfare through video games. All right. Here in the New York Predator Department. Yes. I said it, cognitive warfare through video games. All right. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video.